The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Tony Robbins' success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill.
We see that this is a YouTube story about sharing the tips of some successful people, or some of the billionaire's success after the setback experience, and so on. This content can actually earn it a lot of advertising money on YouTube. Analyzed by Nox Influencer. His channel makes $989 a month. In fact, Nox Influencer is obviously underestimated the revenue of the channel. He rates it between $1.60 and $5 per 1,000 views. But the actual estimated CPM is at least $8. That means he earns as little as $8,000 a month. And other channels can earn a second income. Through affiliate marketing, we can also generate a second passive income by promoting the Alliance's products through ClickBank, because his videos are about success and wealth. So we can match some investment, marketing, and making money in this area of virtual products. Link to such an AD in his video description. You can earn those extra dollars. The good thing about Alliances is we don't have to create products and sell them. Of course, some are less than $90 or $110 a pop. We can notice his channel. I don't have to show my face or make my own video. I can make a video like this. Make money on YouTube. If you noticed, he only does long videos on his channel, but no short videos, because the short video just launched on YouTube. If it joined the promotion of short films, its flow will be even more rapid. I'm going to share it today. How to use Chat and another AI tool to make similar videos. You can earn revenue through YouTube passive income. If you are interested in today's topic, remember to see the end of the film. If you skip the video, you will lose a lot of creative skill content, which means you might lose it. This is a chance to make money. Say no more. Let's get started now. I'm going to write some through Chat. Quotes about celebrity billionaires and their success. Write 20 of these suggestions. So Chat quickly gave me 20 answers. Of course, you can get him to write more, or you can give him specific requirements. If I wanted frustration and inspirational quotes, you can also make such a request. Let him write about something positive. And our second question was to ask him to help me create AI picture prompts. Tips for these pictures of successful people. Let me do it while the AI is creating pictures. All it takes is the questions, text ready, and then we need. Copy these languages. I can copy the first 10 quotes to create my user. Of course, you need to log in and create an account. And then after logging in, we just need to create the first one here, and then post what we just said. You can also think about choosing different people's pronunciations. You can click to enable these voices.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the lap.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to a kid.
The voice of the website is very real indeed. The pronunciation templates for both men and women are very realistic. I chose the first one to try, and how did it work out? It uses this speech template all the time after you choose it. Then we just need to click to get all these voices. And then over here it takes those words and generates those sounds. You can also see it here when it's generated. Can you browse the effect of its pronunciation? There is a select button in the upper right corner. You can export a whole voice file, or a separate paragraph export is fine. I'm going to pick number to here, which brings us to the second tool. We see that 150 credits are free to use. Then you just need to put the text content just generated. These give us these languages that generate AI pictures. We just have to copy what we did before. A few keywords we can try. Paste it in the input box. Attach the front picture photo to the back. And then we just need to select Leonardo Diffusion 40 here. This is Leonardo's style. And then the other thing to notice about creating. When we select the picture, we choose 9:16. Because what we're going to do is a short video. If you want to do a long video, we can do 16:9. You can see him doing it. This is a very nice picture of a successful person. If you're not satisfied with these pictures, we can continue to produce more. Let's move on to the second picture. Then post the content here. Go on generating. We just need to download this image. We continue to come. The heygen website I shared earlier really works, but he charges more. Of course, if you can afford it, you can use it. Very useful website. And I've shared the DID Smart website before. The result is also very good, but it requires a fee. The free membership is also watermarked. There are watermarks all over the screen for free without watermarks. Very conscientious website. Click to start. We need to log in and create an account. It's even easier if you have a Google account. Just click Create. One click to create. Enter the website background. We can see there's a feature here that lets the pictures speak. We need to click Start. All we have to do is upload the picture we just took. We see the screen and it's 16:9, so I switched to 9:16. Click to put this image in. There's also a function here that can be AI mapping. You just need to post the drawing tips here. Let's put this reminder in. See what he does with it. As you can see, it works well. Not only can it create its own AI images, and the voice function is only analog. I'm just gonna copy what I just said right here. You can also use this simulated AI speech that I just produced, because I think this kind of speech produced by the website is very realistic. So I used the voice on the site. We can also try using voice. So we need to pay attention, and then hit Generate. Next we see click above to get the video. All I have to do now is click Generate Voice. Let's click Generate Video again. He'll give you free points to use. We saw an 11-second video. To create a video, click Start. Video being created. You can click on your folder. You can see the video created here. We need to wait a few minutes or so. And after the film is generated, you can see there's a download button here. Download the video. Here I'm using CapCut. Now we need to drag the movie directly to the local footage.
Tony Robbins' success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that.
It works really well, and we can translate it into speech. And we convert to subtitles. Tap to select automated subtitles. Tap to select the first one to automatically generate subtitles. You can see the subtitles here and you can choose here. Divide the captions into 2 lines. If it's too much, too long, we can return. You can shorten the subtitles. We can also choose how the subtitles are displayed. So let's see dynamics here. Which one do you choose? Choose this one. Adjust its position. We can have a music library on YouTube. Find our music here. You can listen to which music songs work. The music sounds good. I'll download it. All we have to do is put in the music. Adjust its volume, too, to take the excess part. Let's cut it out and delete it. Now we just need to go through the effects.
The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Tony Robbins' success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill.
It's also very important that we make the video. Be sure to include the ClickBank affiliate link when uploading. We get a second passive income. We came to the Alliance market. Open the market to see the best-selling products. If we click Open, we can see a lot of virtual products. Our choice is the Business Investment Directory, because the types of films we make are all about success. So we can choose some investment to make money type of products. To promote, we can select corresponding products for promotion. We can choose the best-selling products. Can choose its best gravity index products to sell. You can click to fill in the promotional code, then generate our promotional links. Your promotional links. We can go to Bitly's shortened URL website. Shorten the URL we just gave you. What are the benefits of shortening the URL? What shortening does is it makes people think your URL is not like an advertising site. So you get more clicks. At the beginning of the promotion, we can choose some promotions with lower commission. That is, it is not a very expensive product. It will be much easier to close the deal. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.